Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, if you are just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the um, a custom made indicator called tree and trend milker indicator. Okay, so just where we have seen this actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone when it was unable to break out from there. So it gave us a downtrend signal and gave us some sell signals also, which it can follow. Okay, so right now it is selling. I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel. First TP achieved already, and of course it is still selling. Okay, for those that are having this trading tool, they should have come in somewhere here, and those ones will have been in a lot of profit right now. Okay, so this is it, guys. So this is still selling right now. We are expecting it to get to this particular region. Okay, hopefully it's going to get there. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, this is GainX 999. This actually went on uptrend. Immediately it got to this support region. Okay, this is why this is a support region. Let me show you. If you should notice, this has been following this. Okay, it has been following these, and of course go there, around there, went back up, go there, around there, went back up. So this is still going to buy more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity for GainX 999. Next asset is going to be PayNex 1200. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, this is PayNex 1200, and this actually started on the downtrend after getting to this resistance region, and it was unable to break out from there. Okay, it was unable to break out from there. So, and it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. If you are within the Telegram channel, I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, so you should be in big profits right now. Okay, because it has achieved some TPs already. Okay, and that's a good one. If you're having the trading tool, you should have come in around there, and you should be bigger profits right now. Okay, so this is still selling right now. If it should break out from here, it's coming here, and if it should break out from here, then it is definitely coming here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so that is the benefit of you using the trend trading strategy. Okay, it helps you to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and of course this actually was on uptrend but got to this region, and it's pulled back right from there. Okay, so this is selling right now. We expect it to get to somewhere here, so this is more of a selling opportunity at the moment. Okay, now the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. I mean, it's going to be FX volume. Sorry, I think I'm missing something up. Okay, so that has been corrected. So we have sell for Paynex 12 and Paynex for 999 also. Okay, so now let's move to the next asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. We also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, and it has almost cleared all the TPs. Okay, So this actually sold and got to this support region, and it was unable to break out from there, just the way we have seen it around there. It was unable to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. As you can see, the color moving from red to yellow, and it gave us a buy signal right from here. For those that are having the trading tool, I expect you guys to jump into the trade right from here and put your stop loss around there. But because some of us are not having the trading tool, I had to throw out signals in the Telegram channel, even though they are entering a bit late. Okay, so I gave you your entry point around there and your stop loss right here. Your first TP achieved, second TP achieved, third TP achieved, fourth TP achieved, and it is heading towards the fifth TPs. Okay, so this is so amazing. This is how we usually milk the market within the Telegram channel. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. And of course, if you are having this trading tool, you don't need to wait for my signals, because sometimes it will have started even before I post the signals. For instance, this particular one has already got into this support and it was unable to break out from there. So it switched from red to yellow, and it gave us the blue signal, I mean the blue arrow signal right there, which signifies a buy signal. The yellow bar, I mean banner, is giving us uh, an uptrend signal already. So definitely you should have come in somewhere here and set your stop loss around here. And of course, this will have given you even more profit than what people are getting right now. Okay, so that is just it. It is the beautiful part of it. You have the full control of the market if you are having this indicator. What I mean by you having the full control is that you can easily see when the market is switching. You can easily jump into the trade right from there. Not that you are controlling the market. No, no one can control the market. You only have about 20% right over the market. The rest of the 80% depends on the market. Okay, so that is just it. So that is why you need to have a very good trading tool in order for you to have a better trading experience. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can see for those having this will have jumped in around there and they will have gotten more profit. They will have been in profit even before I drop the signal, because this is the entry point for the signal which I dropped in the Telegram channel. Okay, and this is where you are supposed to have entered if you are having this trading tool. Okay, so that is just it. And of course, guys, that is all we have for today. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. Okay, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so if you are going to be trading tonight, just make sure you follow the instructions, and of course, make sure you do the right thing and set a good stop loss for yourself while you are setting your order. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you are yet to join the Telegram channel, the link will be there in the description box, and I will pin it down to the comment section also. Thank you and